Here's how to connect your PS4 controller to your iPhone. In this video, we'll cover 4 quick steps to get your controller connected. To get started, take your PS4 controller and hold down the PS and share buttons at the same time. Once the backlight on the controller starts flashing, you can let go. With the controller in pairing mode, navigate to Settings on your iPhone. Click the Bluetooth tab and make sure it's enabled. If not, press the slider to turn it on. With Bluetooth on and the controller in pairing mode, DualShock 4 should appear below in the available devices. Tap on it to connect. Wait a moment and the controller should confirm that it is connected and appear under My Devices. Your PS4 controller is now all set to game on iPhone. Go to the App Store or check out Apple Arcade to find some games that support controllers.